Hello, good afternoon, students. In line with the previous session, which was on the startup, we are going to start with one more session, which is on the startup only. And today's guest is Dr. Sagar Bhandge sir. Let me tell you a few things about the Sagar sir. Dr. Sagar sir is a young, dynamic, and highly motivated, creative, and innovative thinker, having 8+ years of experience in academic teaching, learning, and research. Uh, he holds doctorate degree, that is PhD in management from Pune University only. His topic is a study of emerging potential of social media for marketing of management institute in a Pune city. He qualified NET exam also, which is conducted by UGC. He has been awarded with gold medal for excellent academic performance in MBA from University of Pune. He received the Best Teacher Award in 2016, and he is a dedicated employee. He got a dedicated employee award from Symbiosis Institute in 2018. His research and teaching currently focuses on modern entrepreneur, new age entrepreneurs, techno entrepreneurship, digital and social media marketing strategies. So I call upon Sagar sir for the remaining part of session. Please, Sagar sir.
Yes, sir. I hope I am audible. Am I audible, sir? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Am I
Yes,
audible?
sir.
Can you listen me?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So first of all, thank you for the introduction. And without wasting your time, I thought I should start with my presentation. So, hello guys. First of all, welcome everybody to this first year of engineering. I hope all are there for a first year of engineering. And we will try to make this particular session as much as interactive as possible. But before going further, I just wanted to focus everybody about the topic of today's discussion. The topic which you can see here is thinking engineering, think startups. It means there are some startups, as everybody know nowadays what exactly the startup is all about and how startup has to come up and how startups are growing. So whenever you wanted to do your engineering as a degree, then you are having two options with you. One is a job and another is a startup. So nowadays there are so many notions related with the startups are everybody's mind. That notions we wanted to clear it out. When to start your startup, how to start your startup, what are the options are available to start your startup. So these are the basic general discussions we are going to do today. I am not going to discuss with you today is like that कि कल से अपना startup start करना है. No, nothing like that. I just wanted to tell you what exactly the scope of startups are having after the engineering or during your engineering program. That is what we are going to discuss. As you can see, I have done my one course from Harvard Business School where I have been taught with various techniques from where you people can emerge your entrepreneurship capabilities and you can able to think in an entrepreneurial mindset. So I'll go further. First of all, I would like to clear it out. First thing between you and me is that what exactly the startup and entrepreneurship. You must have heard about the name called startup and you must have heard about the name called entrepreneurship. अभी इसमें exactly difference क्या है? Startup किसे कहते हैं हम लोग और entrepreneurship किसे कहते हैं हम लोग? ये हम लोग पहले clear करेंगे. Now everybody knows is that entrepreneurship is like one business, and sir, startup is also like a business. So startup and entrepreneurship are the same. No, startups and entrepreneurship are not the same. Startup is one particular entity having a different objective. Though startup consists of entrepreneurship, but the objective of startup is different than entrepreneurship. So startup is different, entrepreneurship is different, and family business management is one concept. There may be students in this particular class, those who are having their own family businesses. So they can come up with their own family businesses, and that particular concept is called as a family business management. Now there is a concept of a startup, there is a concept of entrepreneurship, and there is a concept of a family business management. इंजीनियरिंग के पहले क्लियर कर लो, जॉब करना है, स्टार्टअप करना है, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप करना है या फैमिली बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट करना है. That we are going to decide today. Now I'll tell you what is startup. So here you can read the right side of this particular PPT. A startup founder is a different from entrepreneurs. As they found a startup company, they create a business that will someday become successful. Now go to the entrepreneur and his meaning. An entrepreneur is an individual that looks for a business opportunity. So entrepreneurs always looks for a business opportunity and creates a ways to make those business profitable. So profit is the first and foremost objective of entrepreneur. Increasing the business is the objective of entrepreneur. Increasing the scalable business is the objective of entrepreneur. But startups objective is they create a business that will someday become successful. While they sound similar to the entrepreneur, their goal is somewhat different. Unlike entrepreneur, a startup founder does not have major financial motive. The startup is having a motive to change the world. Now you must have think about electric scooter startup. Now what is that electric scooter? They identified some of the problem statement in the society, and after identifying the problem statement society, they wanted to change that particular gap and they wanted to come up with some good innovation, and that innovation is called as a startup. So whenever you wanted to go something to have innovative ideas and that innovative ideas previously not existed, or you wanted to make a change in the life of a people and you come up that kind of a product, that is called as a startup. And entrepreneurship is a basic motive of entrepreneurship is all that business opportunities identified karna, that could be into current business or that could be into the next business like new businesses, and identifying that particular opportunities and increase your business to get money. That was entrepreneurship. But when it's startup, increase your business to get recognition, increase your business to get that particular innovation in the mind of people. That is all about startup is all about. So I hope a little bit startup ideas are clear in your mind as on time. Next slide I don't have much slides, so not to worry about it. We are going to make this session a very practical. 2 to 3 slides as a part of a formality I have kept. So we'll go next now. I'll just tell you what exactly is startup statistics in India available. Here you can see India has the third largest startup ecosystem in the world. Third largest I'm talking about, and expected to witness a year-on-year growth to 12 to 15%. The startup is having that much potential. And currently India is now having about 50,000 plus startups. This data is from Startup India website. 2018 में हमारे पास 50,000 startups थे, and these startups are merely nowadays will more than 50,000. But one thing is very important to read in this line, that around 8,900 to 9,300 of this technology lead startups. So maybe you people are having your mechanical engineering, computer science engineering, whatever the engineering field you people are thinking, some of the startups or half of the startups are from engineering background, from the technological background. So you can see what exactly that portion is covered by startup statistic in India. So you are having a growth, you people can think of a startup. Very much important slide. Next. Have you heard this name? ये आपने कभी सुना है क्या? Flipkart, Ola, Paytm वगैरह? Can anybody talk with me? One or two people? Unmute your mic. Sir, can they unmute during the presentation?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
No
anybody can unmute, yes or no? Have you heard of
Yes, sir.
Yes, good. So Sachin
Yes, sir.
from Flipkart, Bhavish Kejriwal from Ola, Vijay Shekhar Sharma from Paytm. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Dipinder Goyal, Zomato, and Mukesh Bansal, Myntra. These all are engineers. My focus of discussion is that these are all engineers. They have started their startup journey from the engineering college. They have completed their engineering and they came up with. Sir, can you please mute? Sir.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Please. Okay, thank you, sir. So these are all the names, those who are engineers. So now engineers can make a big difference in the India also and over the world also. Flipkart is a difference. Paytm is a difference. Zomato is a difference. Myntra is a difference. From next 2 to 4 years, Gauri, Vetal, Harsh, Harshal, Ishwari, whatever the names I can see here, these people can make difference. Now, how this difference is possible? Next question is definitely must be in your mind कि sir पहले job करना है या करना है ये पहले बताओ यार। ये क्वेश्चन हर एक के दिमाग में है। सर सच में जॉब करना है क्या स्टार्टअप करना है? और जॉब करना है तो जॉब कब करना है, एंड स्टार्टअप करना है तो स्टार्टअप कब करना है? अभी देखो ये थॉमस एडिसन का लाइन देखो, मैंने यहाँ पे आपके लिए आई हैव जस्ट पुट इट अप। आई हैव नॉट फेल्ड, आई हैव जस्ट फाउंड 10,000 वे दैट डोंट वर्क, दैट वोंट वर्क. Steve Jobs has said, I am convinced that about half of what separates the successful entrepreneurs from non-successful ones is pure perseverance. ऐसे ऐसे मस्त मस्त कोट आप लोग पढ़ोगे इंजीनियरिंग में और लगेगा कि यार स्टार्टअप करना चाहिए. Yes, life is all about startup. But when we see about a day in the life of a corporate and a startup, I hope you people can see my image over here. वहां पे लिखा है corporate is a roller coaster ride and startup is all what we can say weight. You people have to take care of total weight. तो ऐसे लाइंस पढ़ने के बाद, ऐसे मोटिवेशनल स्टोरीज पढ़ने के बाद, when you got to know कि yes there is something that I can do, so I should start my startup. But I just wanted to tell you everybody, yes it is good to think about a startup, yes it is good to think about an idea, but startup ideas, job, everything should be backed by your current position. Whether your family needs your support as a financial, whether you have your own setup business, whether you people can directly get into startup, because whenever you say startup there is a risk involved. अगर सुबह के लिए मेरे पास खाना नहीं है तो मैं पहले खाना ढूंढूंगा, रात के लिए मेरे पास खाना नहीं है तो मैं पहले खाना ढूंढूंगा. तो पहले अगर मेरा प्रायोरिटी है कि आई वांटेड टू अर्न फॉर माय फैमिली, I also from a middle class background, if suppose I thought that I need money for my family, definitely you should start doing a job, then you can think of your startup. There is also a lateral way that I will tell you what is that lateral way. Lateral way का मतलब है whenever you are doing your engineering, you people can think about an idea which could be the startup for you after 2 years, after 3 years. So think in the future. After 5 years, after 10 years, what will be the future of India? Now, electric car is the future of India. Automobile engineering. Electric car is the future of India. Machine learning is future of India. Artificial intelligence is the future of India. Mechatronics is the future of India. Computer science and IT technologies are the future of India. So these are called as the future branches. Civil and constructions, more technologies are coming into that particular area. Robots are nowadays constructions में robots का use हो रहा है. So robot 2.0 आप लोगों ने movies वगैरह देखे होंगे. So these are the technologies are coming in the future. Can I start my small app mobile app I am talking about. Can I start my small app? जैसे स्विगी ने सोचा कि यार लोग तो ऐसे ही बैठे हैं, लोगों को खाना अगर घर पे ऑर्डर दिया तो कैसे लगेगा. एक बंदे ने सोचा, सोचने के बाद उसने ऐप डेवलप किया. ऐप डेवलप करने के बाद आज हम घर पे बैठ के खाना बुला सकते हैं और आराम से हम लोग खा सकते हैं. सो व्हाट वी पीपल आर डूइंग, वी आर मेकिंग द अदर्स लाइफ इजियर. लोगों का लाइफ जब इजियर होता है वहां से स्टार्टअप का जन्म होता है. Startup born from that particular problem statement where people are facing problem. So understand कि आगे 5 साल में कहां लोग प्रॉब्लम फेस करते होंगे. एग्जाम्पल, एटीएम मशीन पे लाइन है तो एटीएम मशीन का लाइन कैसे दूर किया जाए. ओनली इंजीनियर्स कैन थिंक अबाउट दिस. So this could be the idea you people have to think. Now can we have some innovative products? Nowadays government has came up with the concept called CoWIN app. So government has told some of the companies or some of the students to come up with ideas for a CoWIN app. And nowadays the CoWIN app you people can see. So these are the some of the hackathons the governments are organizing. Some private organizations are organizing some hackathons. So what I wanted to tell everybody is that please think, scratch your brain, think about the idea which can be feasible after 4 to 5 years. अभी मैं सेम क्वेश्चन पे आता हूं कि सर जॉब करना है क्या स्टार्टअप करना है, वो पहले बताओ. मेरे पास सर सब कुछ है, मुझे स्टार्टअप करना बहुत पसंद है. आई हैव सो मेनी आइडियाज सर, बट सर मुझे जॉब की बहुत जरूरी है एंड आई वांटेड टू जॉब, आई वांटेड टू गेट प्लेस एंड देन डेफिनेटली आई कैन थिंक अबाउट अ स्टार्टअप. यू आर राइट. Whatever your mind is thinking, you are right. So now I will tell you I'll take that question, Atharva. Thank you for the question. Now, these are the basic questions in the students' minds. So that's why I'm discussing that particular question before going for a startup as an ecosystem. So, करना क्या है? Job करना है, startup करना है. So there are three options. Now, first option, listen carefully. First option is that, yes, if you need some financial help of your family and if you want to get that experience of a market, पहले 5 साल job करो. After 5 years, you will come to know what is market trend, what market requires, how companies are running, how businesses are running. And definitely after this particular point, you people can think of your startup after 5 years. So at least a gap of 5 years is very necessary to understand the market. Now, option number two. Option number two is that if you are having your family business, put your thoughts into your family businesses. Check how you people can innovate your family businesses and come up with a startup. Nowadays, Chitle Bandhu Mithai Wale, they are not having any franchisee, and now they have started with the franchisee of a Chitle Express, where you can get only packed foods of Chitle Express and you can get that franchisee in the market. In this particular COVID era, when we had Diwali season, then in Pune and all over the Maharashtra, Haldiram has started their own franchisee called as a Haldiram Express. So these are some of the ideas these people are came up with the in line with their entrepreneurship, and people are doing something different. So when you are having your family businesses, I request everybody put your thoughts into family businesses and come up with the startups. Third, very important point. अगर family business भी है, you are having good financial position, then take a risk. Don't think about anything. Then take a risk, and you people can just lighten your ideas. Just go with your ideas and just go to the market. And before going for any particular idea, I wanted to tell everybody, please, please, please tell that idea to your friends. पहले अपने फ्रेंड्स को बताओ, पहले अपने घर में आइडिया बताओ, पहले अपने फैकल्टीज को आइडिया बताओ, एंड जस्ट गेट एन आइडिया कि ये चल रहा है कि नहीं चल रहा है, व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इट इज हैपनिंग. Instead of going into market, you people can check whether your ideas are good, ideas are bad. You can get the answers from your colleagues only, from your environment only. So this way you people can go. So three options already I told you. If job is a preference, go for a job, 5 years, enjoy a job, and then go for a startup. Life है हमारे पास. It is not like that कि इंजीनियरिंग किया तो अभी बर्डन है कि कुछ तो स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा और अभी के अभी सब कुछ करना है. नो, टेक अ टाइम. There are people like KFC owner has started KFC branches at the age of 50 plus. Right. So these are some of the examples we are having. People have started their business after 50 plus also, after 40 plus also. Though Harry Potter has got a fame at the age of 10, but some people have got the fame at the age of 50 plus. So just wait. Have you ever seen Mahatma Gandhi at the age of 20, 21, 25? We know Mahatma Gandhi at the age of 60 plus. So you will get a success. Be patient. So very important thing is that patience रखो, success मिलेगा. So whenever you wanted to go for a job after your engineering, go for a job. Then you think about a startup. अगर all is okay with you, then all is well with you. Go for a startup, take a risk. अगर आपको लगता है कि नहीं मेरे पास कुछ आइडिया नहीं है, मुझे जॉब ही करना है, and go for a job. Best of luck. Everywhere future is there. I have got 1 or 2 questions कि मैकेनिक्स में फ्यूचर है क्या, इसमें फ्यूचर है क्या, उसमें फ्यूचर है क्या. Just wanted to tell that particular guys, फ्यूचर वहां पे है जहां पे आप हो. Very important statement. Please make your statement, my statement. Please listen this carefully. फ्यूचर वहां पे है जहां पे आप हो. आपको फ्यूचर बनाना है. मार्केट में फ्यूचर है क्या नहीं वो मत चेक करते जाओ. मार्केट में गाड़ी कभी कब आपको पता था कि एप्पल का आईफोन आने वाला है मार्केट में, एप्पल के आईपॉड्स आने वाले मार्केट में. स्टीव जॉब्स ने कहा है लोगों को पता नहीं होता कि लोगों को क्या चाहिए, आपको लोगों को दिखाना पड़ेगा कि लोगों को क्या चाहिए. जब आप लोगों को दिखाओगे कि भैया ये चीज मार्केट में चलती है, तब लोग बोलेंगे कि अरे हाँ यार ये भी मेरे को मार्केट में चलती है, ये चीज मुझे ये चीज चाहिए. एक स्टोरी बताता हूँ. देयर आर 2 सेल्समैन. एक छोटा सा गांव था और वहां पे फुटवेयर का कंपनी था और एक 2 सेल्समैन ने ओनर ने 2 सेल्समैन को मार्केट में भेजा कि भाई जाओ और वहां पे मार्केट रिसर्च करके आओ कि हमारा फुटवेयर चलेगा या नहीं चलेगा. 2 सेल्समैन गए मार्केट में and when they went they see nobody was wearing in the chappal or footwear in that particular small village. Then suddenly one boy came, that salesperson came and told to the boss, sir, there is no any scope, no scope at all, because nobody is wearing footwear in that particular market. Other person came and told, sir, we are having 100% scope to sell your footwear because nobody wearing that particular footwear in that city. That is what matters, and that matter is called as attitude matters. So my answer to this particular question, whether this branch is having a future or whether that branch is having future, no. What is your mind says, there is a future. If you're working, if you're in mechanical, work for mechanical and do wonders there. If you're CSIT, work for CSIT, do wonders there. Don't just what we can say, jump there कि अरे नहीं उसमें फ्यूचर है, इसमें फ्यूचर है. फ्यूचर किसमें भी नहीं होता, फ्यूचर आप में होता है. इट इज योर. कभी आपने सोचा था कि बिनी बंसल एंड सचिन बंसल फ्लिपकार्ट चलाएंगे? दे वर इंजीनियरिंग. सो एटीट्यूड मैटर्स अ लॉट. सो दे वर इंजीनियर्स. तो उन्होंने कभी सोचा था कि ई कॉमर्स मार्केट स्टार्ट करेंगे और बिजनेसमैन बनेंगे? एंड दे आर इनटू बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट के फंडे वो लोग दे रहे हैं आज की डेट में. दो बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट के फंडे एक इंजीनियरिंग का बंदा दे रहा है. कभी क्या सोचा होगा उन लोगों ने व्हेन दे स्टार्टेड? So whenever you wanted to go everywhere, first is very important thing is that believe in yourself. Attitude matters a lot. Don't go for a market trend at all. लोग कहते थे कि इंडिया में इलेक्ट्रिक कार चलेगा नहीं क्योंकि इंडिया में इलेक्ट्रिक के स्टेशंस ही नहीं है. बट आपको पता है, the day before yesterday I have seen that news, the Tesla is now coming into India. Elon Musk has declared that Tesla is going to come into India. So nowadays Elon Musk is saying कि इंडिया में हमारा प्रोडक्ट चलता है, बट हमारे इंडिया के लोग बोलते हैं अरे सर नहीं चलेगा, यहाँ पे स्टेशन ही नहीं है हमारे पास, पेट्रोल पंप में इतना गर्दी है सर हमारे पास, तो स्टेशन कब करेंगे, हम चार्जिंग कब करेंगे? ऐसे अगर क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे, निगेटिविटी हमारे माइंड में रहेगा तो कुछ भी नहीं चलने वाला. तो तुम मैकेनिकल में रहो, सीएसआईटी में रहो और कहां पे भी रहो, इफ यू डोंट बिलीव योरसेल्फ नथिंग विल हैपन. So that is what startup mindset you people have to inbuilt in yourself. So that's why I was just pressing on that particular title is, if you are thinking engineering, you people can think of a startups, because what I read, what I research is that more than 50% of the people, those who are coming up with the startups are engineers. So engineers are having that technological, that analytical capability, and you people can be successful in that particular area. So my crux of discussion is that you people have to believe on yourself. You people have to believe on your degree, and unless and until you can believe on yourself and your product will not sell in the market. Dunzo delivery आप देखा है क्या आप लोगों ने? I don't know how many of you know about Dunzo delivery. आप ग्रोसरी, स्मॉल ग्रोसरी, आजू बाजू के हमारे जो ग्रोसरीज है वो शॉप वहां पे रजिस्टर होते हैं और घर बैठे हमें ग्रोसरी मिल रहा है. Fryo.com, फ्राई करके है. फ्राई का मतलब है कि फ्राई ए, इस मतलब फ्राइडे प्लस, फ्राइडे के बाद एक छोटा सा कोवर्किंग स्पेस का स्टार्टअप है. उन्होंने क्या किया कि नाइट क्लब्स होते हैं ना, नाइट क्लब्स एंड पब्स, दे आर नॉट ऑक्यूपाइड फ्रॉम मॉर्निंग 9 o'clock to 6 o'clock. So that guy, he is I think so a guy from Kolhapur. He has started that Fry as a community co-working space startup. So 9 to 5 o'clock जो slot available है night clubs में, so he used to give that slot on a rent. So he has a tie-up with the 4-5 night clubs where he is giving some rented places for startups. Like suppose कल हर्षल लोंडे को कुछ स्टार्ट करना है, उसके पास 10,000 रुपए नहीं है ऑफिस के पेमेंट के लिए, तो वो वहां पे जा सकता है, 2,000 रुपए महीने का दे सकता है आपको. वहां पे बैठ के कंप्यूटर होगा, आपका चेयर मिलेगी, 2 चेयर आपके सामने रहेंगे, आप लोग अपना मीटिंग्स कर सकते हो. दिस वे पीपल आर कमिंग अप विद दिस कॉन्सेप्ट, एंड दैट कॉन्सेप्ट इज कॉल्ड एज अ co-working space concept. Co-working space where you don't have to hire your offices of 10,000, 20,000. You people can hire your offices of 2,000 rupees only. You can get 1 month 2,000 I'm talking about. And now that startup is having 250 plus customers in only Pune city. In only Pune city. Then again, second second thought in our mind from village background. So there are thoughts in mind from the village background people. जो लोग village background से हैं, they said that कि सर मेरा upbringing ही ऐसे नहीं हुआ है कि हम मैं स्टार्टअप के बारे में सोच सकूं. मेरा सर कम्युनिकेशन का प्रॉब्लम है. मेरा सर मैं बात नहीं कर पाता हूं लोगों से. I am not good at speaking to people. This is the time where you people have to work. 4 years work on yourself. Invest in you. ये 4 साल जो आप लोग डिग्री के लिए परसेंटेज के लिए भाग रहे हो ना, भागो. That is also priority. But very much important priority is that invest in yourself. Identify, do SWOT analysis of yourself. Startup आइडिया होने से कुछ नहीं होता. आइडिया होने से कुछ नहीं होता, वो आइडिया को इंप्लीमेंट लाने के लिए आपके पास खुद में भी उतना स्ट्रेंथ होना चाहिए, एंड दैट स्ट्रेंथ, वीकनेस, अपॉर्चुनिटीज एंड थ्रेट्स, यू पीपल हैव टू मग इट अप। मेरे स्ट्रेंथ क्या है? whether I am good at ideas, but I am not good at communication. So communication is my weakness. Work on communication. Opportunities क्या है कि I can dress well, I can present well, but यार हिंदी आता है, इंग्लिश नहीं आता मुझे अच्छे से. Work on Hindi and English. बात करो हिंदी और इंग्लिश में. जानबूझ के there are some statements I am using in Hindi and also in English in today's presentation. Though it has to be a totally English. But just wanted to tell everybody is that yes, English also very important, Hindi is also very important, but language is important. Point is that language is important. Whatever you are saying, people should accept that. People should understand that. So work on your weakness, work on opportunities, work on threats. कि आपके threats क्या है, आपके strength क्या है, आपके weakness क्या है, and आपके opportunities क्या है. So SWOT. So I hope everybody after this particular lecture, please take one diary of 2021, write down your strength, weakness, opportunities and threats, write down 10 dreams, bucket list. मराठी मूवी पाहिला असेल तुम्ही, bucket list, write down the list. अगर मराठी नहीं मिला होगा तो मलंग मूवी देखा होगा आप लोगों ने, मलंग में उसके पास लिस्ट होता है. अगर मलंग नहीं देखा होगा तो और एक मूवी है, आई डोंट नो, लेट इट बी. तो ऐसे मूवीज है, वहां पे ऐसी भी चीजें आप लोगों ने मूवीज से लेने चाहिए. बकेट लिस्ट बनाओ. बकेट लिस्ट का मतलब होता है कि हैव सम 10 to 12 ड्रीम्स ऑफ योर लाइफ, कि मुझे लाइफ में ये करना है. एग्जांपल, मुझे अंबानी से मिलना है. सेकंड एग्जांपल, मुझे ताज होटल खरीदना है. थर्ड एग्जांपल, मेरा खुद का थिएटर होना चाहिए. सो हैव सम ड्रीम्स. होंगे नहीं होंगे बाद में लिखेंगे हम लोग, बट पुट इट ऑन अ पेपर and start working on it. And every day when you will go to night, just open your dream book and just read. यार क्या मेरा ड्रीम है यार, मेरा खुद का रेस्टोरेंट मुझे होना चाहिए, मेरा खुद का थिएटर मुझे होना चाहिए. दैट पिंच, दैट रीडिंग विल टेल योर ब्रेन, यार ये अभी सोने का टाइम नहीं है, ये कुछ काम करने का टाइम है. तो फिर बाद में आपको नींद नहीं आएगी आपको, और आप अपना टाइम, यू विल नॉट वेस्ट योर टाइम ऑन फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम एंड ऑल दी अदर थिंग्स. I am agreed. Facebook, Instagram is very important, but you will not spend your much more time to looking at the scrolling at that videos. People are creating some TikTok videos over there, and you people are just seeing it and just enjoying it. Whether this particular time you wanted to use for this particular purpose, just do SWOT analysis, have a dream diary, read that dream diary every day. फिर आपको पता चलेगा कि आपका टाइम कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है. उसके बाद आइडियाज आने स्टार्ट होंगे. अगर आज आइडिया नहीं आ रहा है और आज कुछ आइडियाज भी आ रहा है, तो आइडियाज आने स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे. दैट माइंडसेट यू पीपल हैव टू कम अप विथ. तो दिस इज द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ माय प्रेजेंटेशन, कि आप लोगों को स्टार्टअप माइंडसेट यू पीपल हैव टू डेवलप. एंड फॉर डेवलपिंग द स्टार्टअप माइंडसेट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू पीपल हैव टू डू टू थिंग्स. फर्स्ट इज बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ. सेकंड थिंग, बिलीव इन योर आइडिया. थर्ड थिंग, बिलीव यू कैन डू. एवरीबडी टेल दैट कि ये होना चाहिए, करते हैं. सदगुरु का इंस्टाग्राम पेज है, देन सम आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग का इंस्टाग्राम पेज है, योगा पीपल का इंस्टाग्राम पेज है. हम लोग ऐसे पेज फॉलो नहीं करते. हम लोग सलमान खान को फॉलो करेंगे. हम लोग यस, बॉडी बिल्डिंग के लिए करना भी चाहिए, बट ऐसे पेज फॉलो करो जहां पे आपको स्पिरिचुअलिटी भी मिलेगा, जहां पे आपको फिजिकल फिटनेस भी मिलेगा, एंड यू विल गेट मेंटल फिटनेस ऑल्सो. Follow that pages on Instagram, follow that pages on Facebook. Then whenever you will scroll, you can read some inspirational thoughts, follow some books, Rich Dad Poor Dad, Stay Hungry Stay Foolish. So read some this kind of a book, and then only startup के idea develop होंगे. हमारे पास 4 साल है, आराम से हम लोग सोच सकते हैं इसके बारे में, but you have to gear up yourself. Yes, Athar, on second part I will discuss this. So first of all, a part which I wanted to discuss with you is that you have to gear up yourself. भाग मिल्खा भाग में आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि you people have to gear up yourself, you people have to practice yourself, and then only at the last match you people can win. But for getting into that particular last match, मतलब last match में जीतने के लिए आपको कम से कम ये 4 साल काम करना पड़ेगा. ऋतिक रोशन फर्स्ट मूवी कहो ना प्यार है, एक रात में वो हीरो नहीं बना है. उसके लिए उसको स्टैमरिंग का प्रॉब्लम था, उसको डांस का प्रॉब्लम था. सो दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन हैज वर्क फॉर 10 years. to work on the stammering problem, and after that movie has released and he has got fame. Yes, Arya, Sadhguru. Then second example, Bahubali. Though the Prabhas has worked very good in Bahubali, but he has worked 5 years for that particular movie. You know, Prabhas has not taken any particular movie, has not signed any particular movie for 5 years. He has dedicatedly worked for Bahubali only. And now you can see how Bahubali was a success. So time investment is very important. So that is what I wanted to tell as a crux of my discussion for this particular one part, is that you people have to believe in yourself and you people have to start investing yourself. खुद के लिए खर्चा करना स्टार्ट करो. खर्चा करना मतलब सुबह उठो, नाश्ता करो खुद के लिए, खाना टाइम पे करो खुद के लिए, रात को हमें जूस पीना है खुद के लिए. अगर हेल्थ है तो वेल्थ है, वेल्थ है तो डेफिनेटली सब कुछ आएगा, है ना. सो हेल्थ होगा तो थिंकिंग स्टार्ट होगा. अगर हेल्थ ही नहीं होगा तो थिंकिंग स्टार्ट करके कुछ फायदा है. तो उपवास वगैरह करना मत करो, मुझे पता है आप लोग करते नहीं होंगे, बट जस्ट फोकस ऑन योर हेल्थ आल्सो, व्हिच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. देन ओनली यू पीपल कैन गेट रेडी फॉर स्टार्टअप्स or get ready for job also. So that is what my first interaction. Now we'll go to the next level ki startups ko matlab if suppose if you are having idea, then how people have to start and encash your ideas. So there are some platforms where you people can visit and आपके startup का journey आप start कर सकते हो. So I'm getting some questions on this particular platform कि sir what do investors looks in startups? I will definitely tell you. What are the investors कहाँ पे अवेलेबल होते हैं, इन्वेस्टर्स को कैसे पिच करना है, how to go to that particular investors. So I'll just stop this presentation and I will show you one more presentation where now the second part of our discussion is that now you people are more geared up. अब हमें स्टार्टअप करना है. 4 साल जो मैंने बोला है वो करो, करने के बाद स्टार्टअप के लिए कैसे इन्वेस्ट करना है और स्टार्टअप्स के लिए हमें कैसे आगे जाना है, that I will show you. Now I will share my entire screen where I have a bunch of options for all of you. Bunch of options. How to go about your startup. What necessary things are required for your startup. That I will tell you. So I hope you people can see this. This is called the Startup India website. I don't know how many people must have gone through this particular website. ये पिन नहीं हो रहा है प्रेजेंटेशन. आई विल गो डायरेक्ट. आई होप यू पीपल कैन सी दिस स्टार्टअप इंडिया वेबसाइट. एनीबॉडी प्लीज.
यस सर, यस सर.
हाँ, अभी देखो ये वेबसाइट पढ़ना कैसे, विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. हम लोगों ने बहुत सारा सुना है कि स्टार्टअप इंडिया गवर्नमेंट ने स्टार्ट किया है, स्टार्टअप इंडिया किया है. व्हाट डज द गवर्नमेंट हैव डन इन दैट पर्टिकुलर स्टार्टअप इंडिया वेबसाइट? गो टू अबाउट सेक्शन. Now check out this particular about section. You people can check what is Startup India action plan, how evolution of startup are coming up, and these are some of the other options are there. Startup India logo, and these are some of the introduction about Startup India. हमें यहाँ पे सिर्फ introduction लेना है कि Startup India, what exactly the Startup India is all about. Next point, resources, which is very important for you. Can you people have gone through this particular website and check? There are some online courses available, and these are online courses which are free of cost. How to start your own startup, how to pitch for investors. There are so many courses are available online. You people can, during your engineering, you people can visit this particular website and you can complete this particular online course before going for a startups. Then there are some others like market research reports. Now someone has asked me, sir, mechanics में future है क्या? Mechanical में future है क्या? Go to the market research reports. That market research report will tell you कि what is the trends India is accepting. What are the list of patent as on date India is having? What are the list of trademarks as on date India is having? You are looking for any particular business idea, then how you can go for that particular business idea. MHRD's innovation and startup policy. If you wanted to register your startup, then what is the policy for Startup India program? So these are the resources readily available. Why to waste your time on Instagram and Facebook? Just go on this particular website, read about startups. Then you will come to know कि यार ये वे है क्या, ऐसे आगे जाना है क्या. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि एक बंदा आपको सब स्टार्टअप के बारे में बताएगा, बट एक वेबसाइट, 2-3 वेबसाइट आपको स्टार्टअप के रिलेटेड सोचना मजबूर कर देगी. नेक्स्ट, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, नेटवर्क्स. नाउ पीपल आर सेइंग कि सर किसके पास जाना है, मेरे पास आइडिया है सर, किसके पास जाना है? अरे जाओ ना भाई, कनेक्ट विथ इनक्यूबेटर्स. 671 incubators are there. 165 accelerators are there. Now I'll tell you what is incubator and what is accelerators. Incubators are a small office, or incubators are a group of people which will tell you कि which idea is feasible in the market. उनके छोटे छोटे offices रहते हैं. Like Infosys is one of an incubator. Some universities are an incubator where you people can go and register your ideas and they will help you to incubate your idea. जैसे हम लोग पौधे को सीड लगाते हैं एंड सॉइल देते हैं उसको, तो सीड एंड सॉइल का काम इंक्यूबेटर्स करते हैं. So in a market, you people can search some incubators in Pune. So you people can check some IT companies are our best incubators. So you people can approach this 670 in one incubators according to your areas. यहाँ पे देखो, connect with startups, advertising, agriculture, artificial. आपको जो एरिया में चाहिए उस एरिया के स्टार्टअप्स यहाँ पे है. Some people are saying कि sir, I am not good at aeronautics, but मुझे सर मेरा स्टार्टअप होटलिंग में करना है. Click view all sectors. Go to hoteling sectors, connect with that incubators, and then incubator will help you कि आपको आपकी आइडिया आगे कैसे लानी है. Next one is accelerators. Accelerators are the next part of incubators. अभी आपके पास पौधा है, अभी आपके पास soil है. Now you have soil, you have that seed, and now आपका पौधा ऐसा grown up हो रहा है और उसको अभी क्या चाहिए? थोड़ा टेंट चाहिए क्योंकि बहुत छांव आ रही है. बहुत धूप आ रही है तो हमें टेंट चाहिए. Accelerators work as a mechanism for you. Accelerator mechanism for you. जैसे गाड़ी में एक्सेलरेटर होता है, वैसे these are the accelerators will help you to get money, will help you to provide some investors in front of you. Then accelerators will get you कि ये मेरे पास 7 investors है, and now you pitch your idea in front of these investors. So accelerators will help you to get that particular investors on a board. So these are the roles of incubators and accelerators, and there are some mentors are also available on this particular website, Startup India website. 667 mentors are available. तो ऐसे आप लोगों को इंजीनियरिंग में ग्राउंड वर्क करना पड़ेगा. Unless your practice are not perfect, unless your pitch is not perfect, unless your practice is not perfect, you people cannot go forward. Don't go with the vague ideas. है ना. पहले अपना पिच, क्रिकेट में कैसे होता है, हम लोग प्रैक्टिस करते हैं ना, तो नेट प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा पहले, ग्लव्स पहनना पड़ेगा पहले, ये हेलमेट पहनना पड़ेगा पहले, बॉलिंग करना पड़ेगा, बैटिंग की प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट प्रैक्टिस प्लेटफॉर्म. Have discussion with incubators, have discussion with accelerators, have discussion with mentors, have discussion with जो resources मैंने आप लोगों को बोले, मार्केट रिसर्च रिपोर्ट पढ़ो, उसके बाद स्टार्टअप के बारे में सोचो. ऐसा हो सकता है कि नहीं तो you people are coming up with the idea and that idea is already existed in the market. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, है ना. So you people have to think in that angle also. Okay. So this is the way. The next, schemes and policies. Now I will not go into, because we are not promoting website here, but I am telling you how you people have to start thinking. So there are some government schemes are available. Every ministry is having their own schemes. Every central government is having their own schemes, and state-wise our governments are also having. Maharashtra State Innovation Society. अगर आपको महाराष्ट्र के startups में entry करना है, if you are in a Maharashtra, and if you wanted to register your startup, if you want some help for your startup, then Maharashtra State Innovation Society, ये website है. In that particular website you will understand कि कितने सारे startup है, कितने लोग startup के बारे में काम कर रहे हैं, मैं भी कुछ तो start कर सकता हूँ. But here also you people can check कि how the government is coming up with the different types of startups. Now this are the website. This is the website which will help you to think, or which will solve 80% of your problems about startups what you are facing, right? Next part is programs. Now what do you mean by program? There are some programs government of India proposes to get ready for you to become a startup. और अगर आप ready हो तो get ready for funding for your startup. If you are ready for series A funding, वहां पे funding की series रहते, series A funding, series B, series C, series D. तो nowadays series D पे Zomato है, बस स्टार्टिंग से तो उसने सीरीज ए से स्टार्ट किया होगा ना. तो उसके लिए हमें थोड़े प्रोग्राम्स गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं, अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइज. सो दीज आर द प्रोग्राम्स यू पीपल कैन चेक. So as a host also you can register here, and as a participant also you can register here. So this was all about the Startup India program that I thought you people should visit this particular website and you people can get some ideas related with the startups. Now we'll go to the next and very important part called as yourstory.com. Yourstory.com is a platform where you people can check all the startup stories here. बहुत सारे लोगों ने बहुत सारी स्टोरीज तैयार की है, कैसे स्टोरीज तैयार की है, वो आगे कैसे बढ़े हैं, उनके पास आइडिया कैसे आई, 4 लोगों से स्टार्ट किया, 2 लोगों से स्टार्ट किया, कौन सा स्टोरी स्टार्ट किया, कैसे स्टार्टअप स्टार्ट किया, एवरीथिंग यू विल गेट इट ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर वेबसाइट yourstory.com. Shraddha Sharma is the CEO of yourstory.com. She has started to foster the entrepreneurship and startup among you people. I'm not talking only about engineers. I'm talking about all the people, those who wanted to get into the startup. So start reading each and every story on this particular platform from tomorrow onwards. Startup के बारे में कोई क्वेश्चन ही नहीं होगा 4 साल में अगर आप whatever I am just telling you, if you are following that thing, definitely there won't be any question. After 4 years, you will tell, sir, what was the session? We have just followed what you told. And now we are clear, very much clear कि हमें exactly life में क्या करना है. And this is what we wanted to do, sir. And this is what we have done. So this could be the success story. And I hope one of the people, आपकी भी story यहाँ पे cover हो जाए. So your story, I'll just scroll down. This 17 years old entrepreneurs ने क्या किया? Taxi, please. This Delhi startups provides an entire EV stack for corporate fleet. Then some recipes, some TEDx speakers are there. So UK के, India के, some events they are having, some interviews they are having, some expert opinions they are having. So it is all about stories. They are having some story TV, her story, especially for women entrepreneurship. Her story, how she has started. Her story. Social story. There are some entrepreneurs जो उनको पैसे में मजा नहीं, उनको socially help करने में अच्छा लगता है. Social stories you people can check. And these are some of the options where you people can get more out of this particular platform. Your story, one of a good platform, guys, for you. And from tomorrow onwards, as an engineering, make in your list in your dream diary that yes, I wanted to read at least one story every day. जैसे हम बचपन में शक्तिमान देखते थे, है ना? Every episode we used to see शक्तिमान, जूनियर जी, आप लोगों ने देखा होगा, है ना? तो every episode of web series you are very much fan of it. अरे नहीं यार, आज एक ही देखा है ना? नहीं, एटीट्यूड आप अगर यहाँ पे इन्वेस्ट करोगे तो सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट होगा. दैट इज व्हाट आई वांटेड टू टेल. तो yourstory.com में एक स्टोरी हर रोज पढ़ना है. नेक्स्ट प्लेटफॉर्म, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट प्लेटफॉर्म, करो स्टार्टअप. करो स्टार्टअप इज वन पर्टिकुलर वेबसाइट वेयर अगेन दे आर गिविंग अस आइडियाज अबाउट स्टार्टअप्स. बट इसका स्पेशलिटी ये है इस वेबसाइट का कि यहाँ पे टायर 3 और टायर 2, मतलब फर्स्ट टायर का मतलब होता है लाइक जोमेटो, स्विगी, पेटीएम वाले स्टोरीज, एंड सेकंड एंड थर्ड टायर मतलब बिहार के एक छोटे से गांव के एक छोटे से बंदे ने क्या किया, महाराष्ट्र के छोटे से गांव में एक छोटे से बंदे ने क्या किया, हाउ ही हैज गॉट दैट मनी. सो सेकंड एंड थर्ड टायर वाला जो स्टार्टअप है उनकी स्टोरीज यहाँ पे है. कभी आप लोगों ने सुना है डिजिको एसएमओ? नहीं सुना होगा, है ना? ये ऑन डिमांड फील्ड डिलीवरी के बारे में सुना है? नहीं सुना होगा. होम फूडी के बारे में सुना है? नहीं सुना होगा. केपीआई के बारे में सुना है? नहीं सुना होगा, है ना? यहाँ पे लिखा है हु लिव के बारे में सुना है? नहीं सुना है. ये नए आइडियाज है. People those who are from very small villages, those who are from taluka and district areas of a very small what we can say like Uttarakhand and all that areas, जिनके पास कम पैसा है but they have came up with the excellent startup ideas and now these people are looking for a funding. देखो इसमें से कुछ मिलता है क्या, पढ़ो इसमें से कुछ अवेलेबल है क्या, और ये इट विल एक्ट एज अ डोज फॉर यू. मेरा जो सेशन मैं आप लोगों से डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ, वट एवर द सेशन आई एम डिस्कसिंग विथ यू, आई एम नॉट टेलिंग द हाई फंडो थिंग्स टू यू कि दिस पीपल हैव टू डू, ऐसा स्टार्टअप यू पीपल हैव टू स्टार्ट. नो, डोंट गो फॉर एनी स्टार्टअप टू स्टार्ट नाउ. Just go for getting ready for the startups, because when we wanted to run a marathon, you people have to practice at least 3 months before to go for a marathon of a 10 kilometers. So practice is very important for that particular marathon. So every day you have to wake up, guys, at 6 o'clock. Every day you have to run at least for a 7-8 kilometers. Then only you can run at 10 kilometers on that particular marathon. So in engineering, invest that engineering for this particular practice. Go to this particular website, देखो यहाँ पे क्या है, अवेयरनेस रिलेटेड क्या है, स्ट्रेटेजीज रिलेटेड क्या है, नॉलेज हब से रिलेटेड क्या है, क्लिक ऑन वन पर्टिकुलर प्लेटफॉर्म, रीड आपको अच्छा लगता है क्या, गेट कनेक्टेड विद दिस पर्टिकुलर प्लेटफॉर्म, आगे आपको आइडियाज मिलती जाएंगी। यहां से भी आप लोगों को इन्वेस्टर मिल सकता है ना। इन्वेस्टर्स, एक बंदे ने मुझे क्वेश्चन पूछा था, व्हाट इन्वेस्टर्स लुक फॉर इन स्टार्टअप्स। Very important, only two things they look for a startups. First is attitude of that particular person. Very important. वो बंदा कैसा है जिसमें मैं इन्वेस्ट कर रहा हूं. So that attitude is matter. And second one is problem statement solution. If you are solving the problem of society, and then definitely people will check, yes, he is solving that particular problem in the society, and then definitely people will start investing on you. So very much important is that you have to be a good human being rather than a good engineer first. So good engineer बाद में बनो, पहले good human being बनो. Good human being बनोगे, then definitely you can be a good engineer. Yes.
माइक बंद है, माइक बंद है.
माइक कोणाचा बंद आहे? I hope.
Sir, please continue.
हाँ, मेरे लिए नहीं था. हाँ. So that is what I wanted to tell कि you people have to invest in yourself first. बाद में हम लोग सोचेंगे कि स्टार्टअप कैसे करना है 4 साल के बाद, 2 साल के बाद. स्टार्टअप इंजीनियरिंग के सेकंड ईयर में भी बन सकता है अगर आपके पास आइडियाज है. एंड नाउ व्हाटएवर आई टोल्ड यू कि होम पेज पे जाओ स्टार्टअप इंडिया के, वहां पे कंपटीशन.
Hello students, please wait for a minute.
हाँ सर.
Sir will join immediately.
हाँ सर, तुम्ही लेफ्ट चला, परत एकदा जॉईन व्हा. तुमचा आवाज येत नाही.
Yes, sir will join immediately. Please wait.
समीर, एट की सागर सर. इथं का दिसत नाही.
I hope I have joined. Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Good.
Yes sir, please continue.
Okay. I'll just share. Huh?
Yes sir.
हाँ, तो यू पीपल मस्ट बी थिंकिंग, मैं यहाँ पे ही आउट हुआ था ना एट द करो स्टार्टअप पे, बराबर. So you people thinking now this guy is telling so much things to us, what he is doing for a startup and entrepreneurship. Now कैसे कि जब हम लोग खुद करते नहीं कुछ चीजें, then it is useless to tell others. So you have to do something for startup and entrepreneurship, and then only you can tell others. Now I will go to my page. So now this is my page, guys. Founder Speaks. Now this is a page where we take interviews of new startups, we take interviews of new entrepreneurs, or wo interviews we publish that particular interviews, so that those who are a new startup and entrepreneurs, they should get some idea. So we do have our presence on Facebook also. I do have my presence on Instagram and YouTube also. So I hope you people can see this. Founder Speak is feeling happy. Yesterday we had one interview and people are giving us some feedback. Great interview, nice interaction, really good set of questions. And this is what interview yesterday. So this is the kind of interview we usually take. So this was the image. I would like to share this image with you. So he was Sajin Sudhakaran, and he was the founder of Silver Horse Ventures, Pune City. So he came to our platform. So before that, too many people, we usually visit our platform, and we usually take the interviews of that particular people. And out of this particular interviews, these people are getting, other people are getting good sessions, good inputs. So these are the some of the inputs, like Founder Speaks. So here are some of the founders. I'll tell you one or two videos, one or two images, so that you people can see. I hope this is visible to you clearly. So Founders Talk with Nikita Kapoor. So this is my own channel. I have started my channel. So here you people are also can come to my channel. You people can also go to your story. You people can also go to Karo Startup. Whatever the ways you people are possibly, you can find out the options. You people can go there. You people can follow this page. Don't waste your time into the worst things in Instagram and Facebook. Go for a good things. There are so many good things. You people can follow that good things. Follow IIT, follow IIMs, follow some NITs on your Instagram and Facebook page. You will get so many ideas, and definitely you can start your own startup. So this was a session we had on 23rd of January with founder of Peach Blink Publishing. She's just a 21-year-old girl. So she has started something. So this way also you people can start. So that is what I just wanted to share everybody, that startup is not all everyone's cup of tea. It requires some dedication, determination. Yes, we do have our YouTube channel Kosto, name Founder Speaks. So startup is not everyone's cup of tea. It requires some dedication, determination, and consistency. Consistency is very important. If you're not consistent to doing particular things, then things will not work. So this is what I thought you people should make up your mind first of all, and then you people should think about a startup. So now we will come to the conclusion of this particular discussion. The conclusion is what was our title? Thinking Engineering Startup. मैंने क्या, अगर आप लोग इंजीनियरिंग के बारे में कर रहे हो, what mechanical and all that, मैंने आपको पहले बोला है, फ्यूचर वहां पे है जहां पे आप हो. It is up to you how to create that particular future. It is up to you how to make best out of it. So future तो वहां पे ही है जहां पे आप लोग हो. Now second thing is that thinking engineering. Yeah, whenever. Now second thing is that thinking engineering startup. Yes, whenever you are pursuing your degrees, get the best of best subject, get the best of best knowledge, get the best of best skills with you, and identify which one is your best skill. Work on that particular best skills and start your startup in that particular best skills. So that is what is my mantra. And I hope, I just wanted to wish you best of luck everyone for this particular engineering journey. And I hope you people have got inspiration from this particular lecture, and you people must have got some way, there are two turns, right turn and wrong turn. So you must have got a right turn now. कि कहाँ पे कैसे workout करना है. There is a lot of discussion on startup. There is a lot to about startups. ऐसा नहीं कि एक घंटे में हम लोग सब कुछ सीख पाए. But I thought I should give you some helicopter view. जैसे ऊपर से होता है ना, aerial view जिसे हम लोग बोलते हैं. This is all about the aerial view I have given. I hope you must have got this. And in future also, if you wanted to go for some inputs from me, some inputs from other, what we can say, founders, other startups, we are here to help you. Follow your story channel, follow Karo Startups, get to the Google, know more channels, follow Ritesh Agarwal, follow that Sachin Bansal, Bini Bansal, and just grow, guys. Thank you, all of you. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Sheetal sir, or
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I hope I have taken.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we are on time. Yeah.
Right, sir. Right, sir.
Is
Okay.
there any
Thank you.
one or two question I can take? If
Any question is there? Yes, any question?
Sir, do incubators help in getting startup ideas patented? Yes, some incubators can give, but accelerators are the people, those who will help you to get your idea patented. Atharva. प्लेसमेंट्स यस स्टार्टअप्स में आप इंटर्नशिप करो स्टार्टअप्स में आपको प्लेसमेंट भी आप लोग ट्राई कर सकते हो एंड डेफिनेटली अबाउट द प्लेसमेंट्स इट इज अप टू यू हाउ यू विल डेवलप योरसेल्फ इज ऑल अबाउट प्लेसमेंट्स corporate want you corporate don't want college corporate want you so definitely your attitude will help you for a placements in startups. Thank you everyone for your patient listening.
Thank you, Sagar sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sagar sir. Sagar sir has told what is startup, how we can choose the startup, what should be done during our engineering 4 years to start a startup. Thank you, Sagar sir. I would like to thank Principal sir, HOD Gaikwad sir, Coordinator Obe madam for permitting us to arrange the session on startup. I would like to thank all the students as well as staff, those who attended the session. After this session, feedback form will be shared on the WhatsApp group. It is requested to all the students to fill the feedback form. This is the last session for today. Tomorrow's first session on the yoga will start at 9:45 a.m. quarter to 10. Thank you everyone. Thank you, Sagar
Thank
sir.
you sir. Thank you sir. I leave sir. Thank you.
Yes, thank you sir.
Stop recording. Stop.